Good morning, traders. David here from Daily Forecast. It is February the 2nd, and we are here to do an update. We're doing Brent, we're doing Crude, we're doing Bitcoin, and we're doing Euro. Let's get straight into it. In front of us, we see that there's a Brent oil daily chart in front of us. We've got our bearish AB swing in play right now still. You can see that price has come to the A high, okay. We are looking for price to fall down towards the B low. Okay, let me back up quickly. We've got a 786 bounce over here, and then we've got price falling down to the BF 786. At this BF 786, we said price will head up to the A low, to the A high, and most likely take out the A high, because a B failure 786 with a prior 786 bounce leads us to believe that we're going to take out the A high over coming sessions. You can see we got resistance, and price fell back. And we are beyond the 86 of this AB swing. So we're looking for price to head down towards the B low over coming sessions. Let's see if we do get a bit of a test and price carrying on falling down. The 4-hour chart, it's the same swing that we've got on the 1 hour on the daily chart. Let me just delete that quickly if I pull the fibs for you. There's the swing over there, there's the A and there's the B low. Again, there's the 786 I mentioned, there's the B failure I mentioned, there's price rallying up. Price was supposed to take out the A high over here. We came 30 pips shy of that, found resistance again, pulled back, tested again. Over here, we've been saying that we're looking for a test. We actually got that test, and then price pulled back quite sharply. Let's see today, do we get another little test, followed by price continuing down? That's what we'll be looking out for today. The 1-hour chart, let's look at the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart's a bit different. You can see yesterday that we've got some housekeeping to do here. Yesterday, this was our AB swing, okay. There's the AB swing. There was the AB swing of yesterday, okay. There's our A high, there's our B low. Yesterday, price came up to the 5-0. Okay, we were looking for price to rally on up to the 618 or higher for us to get in on a trade. But at the 5-0, you can see price reversed, fell all the way down, taking out the B low. Okay, confirming the head and shoulders reversal pattern of early on, giving us lower highs and lower lows. So we've got an A there, and we've actually got a B now. At the time when I looked at it, we didn't have a B. So there's our B low. You can see that clearly. So let's draw fibs in from the A high to the B low. We've got a new bearish AB swing in play. So for today, we are looking for price to rally up. Bring that B into this picture there. We're looking for price to rally up and test the 618 minimum. So 84.73, we're looking for price to hit 84.73 before we will look for a bearish candlestick formation. Okay, once again, if price falls from current levels, this will become the new A. Okay, so let's see if we're going to get a rally up to 84.73 today, at least, or higher, I should say, 84.73 or higher. Once we get to those levels, we will step down to the smaller time frame, look for something bearish, followed by a test of that, look for a fall, followed by a test, and then trade on that second candlestick formation. If price rallies on up, just looking at another scenario, if we rally on all the way up here, and we take out the A high right now, the A resistance high, then we start a reversal on this time frame. Okay, and if we fall and take out the B low, this becomes our new A. So that's what we're looking out for on Brent today. Let's see if price does go up to minimum 618. Crude oil on the 4-hour chart. Let me just delete this also. The 4-hour chart on crude oil. There's our current AB swing. A high, B low. Okay, A high, B low. You can see again here that price came to the 86, gave us B failure. And a B failure opportunity with a prior 86 bounce leads us to believe we're going to take out the A high. The bulls tried once, twice, thrice, fell all the way down, came down. We were looking for a test here. Price gave us a nice test yesterday and fell down. Let's see for today on this time frame if we are going to be getting a test of this fall and then followed by another fall. Just to back up quickly, yesterday we said we were looking for price to rally a bit deeper. if I put the fib in from there to there, we said we were looking for price to come up to the 618 at least, 8017 area, 8020 area. Had price come up there, you can see we turned around at the 50. Had price come up there, we'd have looked for a bearish candlestick formation and we would have actually have shorted. That bearish candlestick formation happened, but it happened at the 50. Not exactly where we wanted it to happen. We prefer a 618 bounce. So there was no trade opportunity on that one yesterday. We didn't trade on Brent either. The 1 hour chart on crude. Let's look at the 1 hour chart on crude. There's our A low. Okay. We're in an upswing on the 1 hour chart. There's our B high. We had a 50 bounce. We had a B failure. We had a B failure. And a B failure with a 50 bounce tells us we're heading down to the... sorry guys. We had a 382 bounce. B failure, B failure. And the rule is with a 382 bounce, we're heading to a 50. You can see if I make this a bit bigger here, that we actually fell right through the 50, but we came shy of the 618. Price rallied hard over there, and then proceeded to come down yesterday and actually hit the 618. So we're actually in buy territory on the 61 on crude. In fact, there was a trade yesterday afternoon. I'll show you that now. So for today, what I'd look for on crude, I'd look for price to actually, maybe it could even test a little at the bottom here and then rally on higher up. Okay, we have to be wary of these highs. But remember, on the 4 hour chart, we are looking for price to carry on falling. So we could just have a slight pullback here, which will be a slight rally on the 1 hour chart and then a fall down. Okay, that will be that slight rally that I was mentioning there because of this 618 bounce. Going down to yesterday's trade on crude oil, if I go down to the 5-minute chart, you will see that there was the fall. Okay, there was your bounce. Okay, and there was your bullish candlestick formation. The entry was at 76.53 and price rallied. We're not 120 pips in the money yet. Okay, we're 70 pips in the money. Okay, so that's that, and that was based only on the fact that we hit that 618 level over there and bounced off it. Euro daily, we got some housekeeping to do here. You can see that there was our most recent A low, there was our B high. Here we had a 786 bounce and then price rallied on up. Okay, look at how aggressive it went up in that candle yesterday. So now we've got a new A low. We have to mark this as the A low. We can clearly see that that is the A low. That's the A low, and then we will wait for a B high to form. We don't have a B high in place yet. We need 2 candles to the right. We're still making higher highs and higher lows. A violation of 801 will initiate a reversal process on this time frame. Okay. The 4 hour chart, same swing as the daily, but probably easier to see. There's our 786 bounce. You can clearly see that we're in an up AB swing, A low, B high. There's our 786 bounce. 786 bounce rallies to the 127. You can see we actually rammed through that. Okay, at 971. We're actually at the 1618 right now. So we've got housekeeping to do on this one. This is the same swing that we have on the daily chart. So this is our new A low. And we also don't have a B high in place yet. We have to wait for another 4 hour candle to close. Once we do have our B high in place, we'll pull our fibs, wait for a pullback, and then go long. The 1 hour chart, make this a bit smaller here so we can see what's going on here. Okay, also it's the same swing. There's our A low, there's our B high, 786 pounds. But here it's a bit different. Price came up to the BF 786. I can make this a bit bigger. Price came up to the BF 786 over here. Okay, price came up here to the BF 786 and actually gave us something bearish. And I'll go down to the 5-minute chart now and show you. And that was actually a loss trade on that one yesterday. But let's just do housekeeping on this one quickly. So there's our new A low. There's our new A low. And here we've actually got a B high in place, guys. Because you can see that we've got 2 candles to the right. Make that a bit bigger. Okay, there we go. There we can see our AB swing now. Let me take this out. That was our BF 786 line we put in yesterday. There's our A low and there's our B high. Okay. So I would look for price to fall down to an area of past resistance that could become future support. We could find resistance at these levels here, support at these levels here. But again, according to my trading system, I'd wait for price to fall back to the 618 in order to get an entry long. Now remember, if price rallies on up from current levels, we will then look for a new B to form. We don't have a support low that has formed here, so we will wait for a new B to form. But for now, this is our current AB swing that we have in play. Okay, so just give me a second. Let me step down to that trade of yesterday, this B failure bearish candlestick formation over here. Let me step down there quickly and show you what happened there yesterday. Where was that? Yeah. Not so clear to see now because of the sharp rally and the prices that have emerged since. So there was the rally, there was the fall, okay, and here was the actual bearish candlestick formation. It's a pity you can't see it so clearly now. There we go. That's probably a bit better. So there was the rally, there was the fall, there was the test, and there was the bearish candlestick formation. If you draw your fibs from that high to that low over there, you can see we clearly came into the 618786 area, gave us a nice clear bearish candlestick formation, and then price proceeded to fall down, not many pips, and then rallied on up. So the entry was here at 908, and your stop was at 35. So it's a 25 pip stop, so it wasn't a crazy amount of pips. But so that B failure 786 trade over here didn't work out. Okay. So let's see if we get a pullback today. For now, there's nothing on the euro. We need price to pull back to the 618 level, which is a lot lower down. Okay. Bitcoin daily. Bitcoin daily chart. There's our A low, there's our B high. You can see that we started the inverse head and shoulder pattern here. That's our left shoulder. There's our center. There's our head, and we are waiting for a right shoulder to form. You can also see that price gave us a nice bearish engulfing candle here. Okay. Firstly, we got here, we got a very small one here, and we got another one here. We mentioned that is price testing all of them. This test failed, price took out the high. This test failed, price took out this high. And now that bearish candlestick formation has also been negated because price has taken out the high. I'm going to take out this fibs because now we're waiting for a new B to form. Okay, we still don't have a B in place. We can't rename the chart to a C. There's no support lows here on this time frame. Okay. So once again, on Bitcoin, we have to wait for a B to form. Once we have that B, we'll then look for fibs again and look for price to retrace down. Okay, traders, that's the analysis for today. So keep your eyes open today for a trade on Brent. Okay, up at the 618 or higher, and then we'll look for a short entry. On Crude, we got a 618 bounce. Let's see if we get a bit of a test of that. If we do get a test of it, we'll look for a long trade off of that bounce. And euro, nothing on the euro. We have to wait for price to fall back to the 618 area. Enjoy the trading day, guys. Remember, we've made our money early on in the week already, but we're constantly on the lookout for opportunities, and we'll see what we get today. Enjoy the trading day. Cheers. Bye.